Hi guys, we are visiting Mr. John's farm today. I have heard he has many animals who help us. I'm so excited to meet them. Look, there's Mr. John on his horse, JJ. Hi JJ. Do you know what sound does he make? Neigh, neigh. I see a white animal here. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a sheep. His name is Willy. He gives us wool. Have you heard him speak? He says ba ba. Here's a cow. I see black spots on her. She gives us milk. Mr. John milks her every morning. Moo, moo. I think she's trying to say hi. Hi. Did you hear that sound too? It's Twinkle, the goat. She bleats. Do you know what we get from them? Yes, milk and meat. Mr. Pig is right there. Look at him running about. He says oink oink. Okay, Mr. Pig. Oink oink, right back at you. Oh, where did this egg come from? I think a hen must have laid it here. What do you make from eggs? A sunny side up or an omelette? Look, there's Jane. She is Mr. John's daughter. She trains horses and feeds them. Horses feed on hay. I see a lot of grass around. I think some of these animals feed on grass. I had so much fun at the farm today. Thank you, Mr. John. I will come to meet you all again very soon. Bye-bye.